Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are thrilled to offer you this striking Harley-Davidson Street Rod 750, registered the 28th of October 2020 on a 70 plate with just 1,144 miles and presented in the bold and aggressive River Rock Grey. This one owner from new low mileage example is in outstanding condition and a credit to its former loving owner. This beautiful motorcycle also benefits from full main dealer service history and a plethora of must-have extras, which includes Vance Hines exhaust, engine bars, bar-end mirrors, and Vance Hines fender eliminator. The Street Rod 750 is a superb showcase of Harley's urban performance cruiser, featuring the liquid-cooled 749cc Revolution X V-twin engine, delivering responsive power and that unmistakable Harley sound. Designed with agility and attitude in mind, the Street Rod benefits from a sportier riding position, high output shocks, and twin front disc brakes, making it just as capable carving through city traffic as it is powering along country roads. This handsome motorcycle will leave us serviced where required with a 12-month MOT, a comprehensive PDI inspection, and 3-month warranty. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for added reassurance. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. Please note we have a £75 admin fee applicable on all of our bikes. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.